Good morning, everybody. I am Raghu Kumar T, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Badavnalli, Madhgiri, Taluk. Today we will discuss Mulkaraj Anand's novel Untouchable. In this particular session, we will discuss about the two important episodes of the novel. One, the chapati throwing incident, the other, the hockey match. In the last session, that is, we discussed about the temple episode where Pandit Kalinath tried to molest Sohini. In this session, we will know about how the untouchables are humiliated. Bhaka is very angry and disappointed after the temple incident. He tells his sister Sohini to go home and he will collect food for them. He goes to Alice and shouts for food, bread for the sweeper, mother, bread for the sweeper. But no lady hears him and gives food. Baka is tired and he wants to take a rest. He is also disgusted from the incident in the morning. He sat down on the wooden platform of a house in the lane. He sleeps forgetting the sounds of the surroundings and is woken up by the sound of a sadhu approaching. The woman at whose doorstep Baka was at rest scolds Baka for polluting her house. She goes back to her house to bring food for Sadhu. Her house was in the top floor. She brings some food material for Sadhu and a chapati for Baka. She forgets to give chapati to Baka and she goes upstairs ordering Baka to clean the drain. Baka cleans the drain and meanwhile the son of the lady of the defiled house wants to go to lavatory. She asks him to come and go in the drain because Baka is already there and he will clean the latrine. So she tells her son to go and do his work at the lavatory, at the drain. So she sends him down and she doesn't want to come down again. She throws a chapati from the top of her house. The thin chapati falls on the drain. Baka tries to catch, but he is unsuccessful. It falls on the brick pavement of the gully. He picks it up and goes. This is how the upper caste people humiliate lower caste people. They don't show the least dignity to the untouchables. The next episode is the hockey match. After this incident, the Baka feels very angry. Okay, he goes to his house and gives two chapatis. Lakha, father of Baka, scolds Baka for not bringing enough food. They wait for Raka, brother of Baka, to bring some food from the regiment. As expected, Raka brings a basket full of food, but Baka, seeing Raka eating from the basket, is disgusted. He doesn't want to eat there, and the pretext of attending Ramcharan's sister's marriage, he goes out of the house. He meets Ramcharan and Chota and they decide to play hockey in the afternoon. The hockey match was played between 38th Dogra, consisting of Baka and his friends, and the opposite team is 31st Punjabis. During the match, Baka scores a goal with the new bat given by Havildar Charat Singh. But the goalkeeper of the opposite team struck Baka a blow on the legs. There is a fight between the two teams. The opposite team calls it foul, but it is not a foul. It is a good goal. Baka's team respond to it as not a foul. Once again they fight, tearing their shirts, and they throw stones at each other. But one of the stones thrown by Ramcharan land on the head of a small boy watching the game. He shouts and falls unconscious. Blood was pouring from the back of his head. Baka, out of kindness, picks him up in his arms and takes to his house. But the boy's mother, instead of thanking Baka for bringing the boy, scolds him for injuring and polluting her house and also the boy. Even the boy's elder brother says that it was not Baka but Ramcharan with the boy, but the mother was in no mood to listen. He hands over the boy to her and goes away dejected. We can see here also how the untouchables are ill treated. They are not shown any mercy. Even Baka is showing kindness, but Baka's kindness is not reciprocated properly. Baka is humiliated, Baka is dejected, Baka is disappointed by all the incidents. The upper caste people always have an excuse to ill treat the untouchables. I have some MCQs. You can go through these.